This is the Loopy Case. Sure, it looks like it's a rubber band on the back of a case, but this is the most useful case I've ever used. Now, you might not be sold on this just yet, but I'll bet I'll be able to change your mind in a few reasons. I'm going to show you 21 things that I can do with the Loopy Case that I usually can't do with other cases. And yes, if you look at the middle of my forehead, there's this giant goose egg, and I actually got that from making this video. Can you guess which reason I'm going to show you that actually made me get this bump? Reason number 1. Being able to take a selfie at the top of a 15-foot rope. And the tiny loop? It helps with rope burn as well when you descend the rope. Reason number 2. Allows me to keep my iPhone close during my snatches so that I can take an immediate post-snatch selfie. Or when I'm feeling important, the Loopy Case allows me to take a phone call right after I finish my jerk. Blah, 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 blah. Reason number 4. Allows me to showcase my #FitFam lifestyle by immediately posting a picture of my skipping rope injuries. Reason number 5. Allows me to get my Monty fixed while I chop healthy vegetables. Reason number 6. I can stay on top of all my Clash of Clans notifications while brushing my teeth. Reason number 7. I can hang my iPhone from a bath hook in a Loopy Case, or any type of hook really. My Loopy Case also lets me hang my iPhone from my car's antenna. Why? Well, why not? And I'm actually comfortable enough to do this while driving around. I love being able to easily carry my iPhone with my son Lurchy. Lurchy's not his name, that's just his favorite hobby right now. He just kind of goes after anything he sees. And reason number 10, baby selfies are just the best. Just so awesome. Reason number 11, #FitFam because amidst that selfie during a set of pull-ups gives you a street cred. Reason number 12, the Loopy is great for those times when I try to carry every bag from the grocery store from my car to my home but end up throwing out my back instead. Having the Loopy in my hands already means I can quickly call my wife to tell her that she'll need to bring the groceries in again. Now, if you're already sold on the Loopy Case, make sure you use my discount code MobileReviewsEh5, and that gets you $5 off your own Loopy Case. Now, this video isn't sponsored by them, and I've literally suffered whiplash from making this video. Right here. On to the last batch of reasons. I can use my toes to carry my iPhone because I run out of hands sometimes. Reason number 14. With Loopy Case, I can twirl my iPhone on a chopstick while standing on a ladder drinking beer. Pop sockets have nothing on the Loopy Case. Reason number 15. I love the Loopy Case because when I get owned while text walking, my iPhone stays on my body. Reason number 16. Loopy Case is also great for making the heft of my slap much more unbearable. I wouldn't do that to you, Monty. Oh yeah, you're such a good boy. Reason number 17. Monty selfies are way easier with the Loopy Case. Reason number 18. I can use my Loopy Case as a belt buckle. I get it, this is probably the worst reason on this list, but during the filming of that clip, I discovered my jeans have a hole in them. Reason number 19. Keeping my iPhone close while doing D-ball cleans for no other reason than to say that I can. Reason number 20, being able to scratch my nose while watching Final Space and not having to put down Monty. Reason number 21, my Loopy Case allows me to easily FaceTime somebody, especially while riding a bike. While riding a bike and eating a sandwich. Now, I know most of those things don't seem that realistic, but that's the point that I'm trying to make. I feel extremely comfortable taking my iPhone into those very silly situations without having to worry about it. The only thing I have to worry about is myself, or my kid, or Monty, but definitely not my iPhone. And that's a good thing given how expensive these devices are getting. There is just a certain peace of mind I get knowing that, well, this little rubber band looking thing is just going to offer that much more protection for my device. For me personally, I bounce between having my iPhone look cool and then having my iPhone be useful. My family, on the other hand, just wants their devices to be useful, so they don't really care that there is this thing that doesn't follow the lines of the iPhone. And that's really just the beauty of this product. It's just all about the functionality. Again, FaceTiming while biking and eating a sandwich. Now, I'm guessing you thought that being owned by the telephone pole was the thing that gave me my goose egg. It actually wasn't. It was the snatch that actually gave me the goose egg. Now, I love Olympic lifting, but by that time, I have been up for about 28 hours, and my body and my mind were not working together. I remember pulling and going like, all right, gotta get under it. Instead of, trying to pull myself under the bar, I decided to try to get under the bar by going through the bar. And listen carefully, listen to this. That's the sound of my head, soft bony parts, hitting steel. It hurts so much. I don't know if you saw, but I totally cranked my head right there. It hurts like the dickens. Again, if you want $5 off your own Loopy Case, well, use my code. Now, there are a couple of things I don't like about the Loopy Case, with one of them resulting in my iPhone 8 screen being cracked, but it wasn't directly the Loopy Case's fault. There's one other thing that I don't quite like about it, but it's all in the full review that I've done. I'm not going to talk about that because I already talked about it, so go watch that video. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I do encourage you to click subscribe. Produce content at least once a week, sometimes two, sometimes none. Questions, comments, leave them down there. That's kind of all I got. Thanks for watching. Monty, go!